Hello all my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. In this video, we are going to learn 3 tricks of mensuration and it is related to the topic rectangular garden. And here we are going to learn the tricks for calculating or finding out the area of the path when it is drawn inside the rectangular garden, when it is drawn around or outside the rectangular garden, or when it is at right angles through the center of the rectangular gardens. So let's start with the first type. Rectangular garden is 45-meter long and 30-meter wide. A path 2.5-meter wide is constructed outside the garden. Find the area of the path. As you can see, if this one is a garden and whose length is 45 meter and the breadth is 30 meter, and around this garden if we draw a path which is 2.5 meter wide, so this path is 2.5 meter wide. That means here also 2.5, here also 2.5 meter, here also 2.5 meter, here also 2.5 meter. You are asked to find the area of the path. So let us learn the trick of finding out the area of the path which is drawn or constructed around this garden. So trick is you need to find the sum, that is L length plus breadth, that is B, plus 2 into the wide given, and this whole thing you need to multiply with 2W. So let us find out. Here length is given as 45 meter long, so here 45 is the length, plus what is the breadth? 30 meter, so here we will write 30 plus 2 into W. Here W is 2.5, that is wide is 2.5, so 2.5 into 2 you will get here 5 into 2W means again 5. 2W means 2.5 into 2, that is 5. Now you add 45 plus 5, you will get here 50. 50 plus 30, you will get 80. So 80 into 5. So your final answer will be 400 meter, as here unit is meter square, as we are finding out the area. So let's start with the next type. Here the difference between these two types is, in the first one the path was constructed around the particular garden present, and here the path is constructed within the garden. That means here the path is included within the area which was there. That means the area of the garden. So here let us learn the trick. Whenever the path will be constructed within the previous area or the garden, you need to apply this formula, that is length plus breadth. Here you need to subtract 2W. In the previous one you have added 2W. Here you need to subtract 2W. And here we need to multiply 2W as well. So let's find out. As you can see, I have kept the same data. So here you will get 45 as length. Breadth here is 30 minus 2W. Here 2W means 2 into 2.5. That is, you will get here 5 multiplied by 5. So first we will calculate within the bracket. That is 45 minus 5, we will get 40. 40 plus 30 will get here 70. 70 into this 5. So you will get here 350, that is 350 meter square as your final answer. Let's start with the last type. Here as you can see, two crossroads means this one is a road and this orange part is another road, each wide 5 meter. That means this is 5 meter wide. Okay, so run at right angle through the center. As you can see, this is the garden, and through the center of the garden this path or the crossroad is running. You are asked to find out the area of the path when the rectangular garden has the length 50 meter, means this one is 50 meter, and the breadth is 30 meter. That means this length is 30 meter. So the trick behind calculating the area of this path is L plus breadth minus W into W. Okay. So let us calculate. Here length is given to be 50 meter. So 50 plus breadth is given to be 30 meter plus 30 minus wide is given to be 5 meter. So here minus 5 whole multiplied by 5. First we need to calculate within the bracket. So 50 plus 30 will get here 80. 80 minus 5 you will get 75. So 75 into 5. So after multiplying you will get here 375 meter square as your final answer. So let us conclude our formula. First one, if the path is around the field or the garden, the formula is L plus B plus 2W whole multiplied by 2W. And now if the path is inside the garden, then it will be L plus B minus 2W whole multiplied by 2W. Now if the path is crossroad which is at right angle within the center of the rectangle, then it will be L plus B minus W whole multiplied by W. And these are the homeworks you are going to solve, and comment the answers in the comment box and let me know if you have any doubt. See you in the next class.